Birthday girl.
Come.
Make a wish, mommy. Make a wish. Whoa, you made a wish, Chase?
Made a wish?
You made a wish? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay, I'm 21.
Everybody sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Stop, Chasey. Make it stop, Chasey.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God.
Today, guys, it is official Danielle's birthday.
My 21st birthday,
21st
guys.
birthday. Hashtag 21st right now. Drop it down below right now.
Chasey.
Spam the comments because she's just 21. Shout out to 21.
I can finally drink now, guys.
Yeah, okay. You guys really think Danielle's 21? You go ahead and comment down below that right now. Today we are actually going to take Danielle to a place that she's been dying for to go to,
Yes,
you know? She's been dying to go to this place.
I'm all about my food, so
Yeah.
I had to go sample this brunch place that
Yeah.
we've been wanting to go to. We were supposed to go for your birthday.
We never
ended
go,
up going,
yeah.
And
So
now we're gonna go for mine.
How does it feel to have another birthday on your day belt?
Old, but I feel like this is my year.
Yeah?
You know, every year people say it's their year, but this year is my year.
As you can see, Chase is having fun on
And I have
Mommy's
this
birthday.
handsome little baby.
This handsome little baby. It's handsome little baby. Happy birthday.
So me and Chase are sharing a birthday today, so say happy birthday to Chase too.
Say happy birthday, Chase. Say
And we got somebody here spending a birthday with me.
Yeah, come through. You guys never met him before. It's first time meeting him on camera. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ma'am, will you take my hand?
I can't.
I know your hand is full with Mr. Chasey, but are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready.
Chase is messing up my hair.
Yeah.
I don't have a reach yet.
We're gonna go right now in 3, 2.
Oh my God.
In 3, 2, 1. We are here. Chase, you ready to eat?
Chase is head of the table.
Chase, you're in charge. We got Bradley here. We got Tish right here. Hey, hey, and we got that guy right there. Who's that guy?
That guy.
Comment down below right now. Who's that guy? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready to drink?
I'm ready to drink.
Tish, you ready to drink?
He's driving, so I get to drink.
Excuse me.
Hey. Alright, Bradley's driving us.
Yeah, Bradley will be driving us, guys. He has his learner's license. Here goes the mimosas right now. I mean, there's no orange juice in it yet, and I'm not putting a orange juice in it. I'm gonna drink it straight, right? Right, Tish?
Yeah.
Straight.
How is yours so close?
Cause
They know him.
they know me. Okay? We have a 2-hour limit of drinking unlimited mimosas, right? For 2 hours. Well done. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Out and bad.
Chase is out here partying.
Whoa, what are
that?
you looking at? Chase, look at the camera. Who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that?
Chase has some lipstick.
Yeah.
I wonder who left it there.
Mommy kissed him up. You can't really see me because Daniel's on the camera. I'm paying attention.
Chad, how much drinks have you had?
I have one so far and got
Andrew's drink is almost done.
I told Tish she needs to catch up.
Tish, you're in last place. Oh, she refilled. She's over you. Drink is like just the alcohol.
Yeah, it's round two. You can see they're very diluted.
Yours is diluted.
Cheers.
Mine is straight alcohol.
Mine is pineapple juice.
When you drink, you have to have the pinky on.
Everybody has their own mat, and also Chasey has his own mat. Look at Chasey's mat right here. Yeah, you got your mat.
Let me bring mat for you.
Mommy bring mat for you so you can eat. Right now, guys.
The ID.
This second round of box me no blow.
People, I have a question. Recently, I'm hit 34. I'm in the not best shape of my life. Decent shape.
You're definitely not in the best shape. When you were like 23, 24, you were in the best shape. But yeah, man, continue what you were saying.
Forget about it. You know why you don't think it. You know why I drink
That bod.
He got that dad bod, bro. As you can see, they have some fish and chips here. Wonder how much I'm gonna charge me for these fish and chips because it says market price. Look here. MKT. And look how much strips they give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. No big, you know? It's not that big.
You're so annoying.
How much you think you gave me? Just for fish and chips?
$50.
Yeah. Whoa.
I'm gonna have half.
You going to what?
Eat half of yours.
There goes the whole of my fish and chips.
I think we did good. Everything's basically done.
I want to know how much for this fish because only 3 fish. If you over $20, I'm gonna have a complaint.
Oh my god, you're annoying. I'm gonna leave you here. I'm gonna leave you here.
I'm gonna go mind myself and get that.
Okay.
Chase got egg wasted, guys. Chase, are you okay? Yeah? Feel full now? Eat a lot of egg. You ate a lot of egg. Guys, I'm on my 3rd, while these guys right here are on their 2nd.
No, we're on our 3rd.
Tish is on a roll. We're having dessert, right? Me not get nothing. Me and Daniel not get nothing, right? And Chase not get nothing. Tish and Drew got something, but Bradley got for the whole table. Cause basically what this is we're about to show you is like the whole table. Look on this. This is what Bradley ordered. Look at that. Oh my god.
To be fair, I didn't.
We didn't expect that.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Birthday girl.
Come.
Make a wish, mommy. Make a wish. Whoa, you made a wish, Chase?
Made a wish?
You made a wish? We are in town to the nearest Target.
Huge Target
It's
right here.
very huge, very huge. You go all the way back there, so yeah, man.
That's not Target right there. Bradley, show them what you're riding. Bradley's riding a horse in Target, guys. Oh my god. Oh god. Don't break the horse, please.
We're riding us.
Look at my son. This is my birthday gift, guys. This fat chubby cheeks.
Give me my chain. Give me my chain. Give me my chain. Give me my chain. Guys, we are back home.
And I'm in my pajamas already. And it's like 6 o'clock.
Hi, Chase. Hi, Chase. Hello. Alright, guys, we're gonna check back with you guys in a short momentarily.
We're gonna play Jenga.
We are gonna go play some Jenga right now, but Danielle has to go edit a video real quick.
Yep, and I'm gonna make
well, not really edit it, she just have to go do the thumbnail and then buska, and we just go up.
Oh my god!
Got him!
I poop on you!
This is what I have to deal with.
I poop on you!
Guys, I need to go get a coffee because Lord knows.
You smell that?
Oh!
I dropped the camera a little bit. We got Danielle's cake for her birthday and some balloons. Did we get flowers?
No, we did not.
We didn't get no flowers. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Come on, okay. So yeah, time to wish happy birthday to dance or sing a song. Obviously, you should sing a song. Anyway. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danielle.
21!
Happy birthday to
us.
you. Oops. Yay! We just got kissed. We're just chasing kiss. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see it on this. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Everybody gets
Ooh! Ooh! We just surprised mommy. I got a kiss. We got a kiss, guys. She couldn't kiss me on the lips, so she kissed me on the side. It's okay. It's all good. She kissed you on the side too, dog. It's all good, bro. It's all good, broski. It's all good. Technically, right now, Danielle was doing the thumbnail for the video a while ago. And shout out to Tish and shout out to Drew to go get the cake for Danielle. And boom, boom, they came through. They came through. It was a surprise, babe. Did you feel surprised?
Yes.
You felt surprised?
I know I always get a cake.
You always get a cake? Were you expecting the cake? Be honest.
No.
She said she
I got a
know.
bottle of-
But I believe that she knows that the cake there come.
No, I never wasn't thinking about it.
You did not know the cake was coming.
I didn't think about it. It's how I feel for my birthday. I just want to relax and embrace the age that's closer to 30.
Guys, by the way, this outfit she has is brought to you
awesome,
by Drew and Tish. Shout out to Drew and Tish. You don't know, big up them damn self. They gave Danielle this. You guys are probably wondering what I gave Danielle.
Yeah.
I gave Danielle just love, guys.
No, Chad got me the chain that I really wanted. It has Chase's name on it. It's called an initial chain.
But we still don't get it yet.
But we haven't gotten it yet.
We hard it.
I ordered it late.
Yeah. I'd rather make Danielle pick up what she wants for her birthday, guys. Because honestly, if me supposed to pick it up, it's going straight back to returns.
Yep.
Right, Chasey? Right, Chasey? Going right back to the returns. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Did you tell mommy happy birthday? Did you show mommy happy birthday? So yeah, guys, it's unfortunately her chain hasn't arrived yet.
I waited so long because I couldn't decide the length that I wanted and I couldn't decide the color that I wanted. That is not gonna come until the 27th.
Lad.
After Christmas.
After Christmas.
Because they have to make it and then to ship it, and you know how shipping is during the holidays.
It's a nice chain, guys. We're about to see who's the best Jenga player out here. We got Bradley, we got Drew, we got Tish, we got Danielle, and we got Chase that is going to be playing too, right, Chase? Look at Danielle now. What you're about to witness is fallness.
Falling.
Come on, Danny, you're gonna make it fall. Oh no, you didn't. Why that one?
Why you go to the
Look at guys. Look at.
Oh God,
The whole thing at twist. The whole thing at twist. Oh God.
Take it out.
This is about to happen. Guys. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Guys,
Jinxie owe me a soda.
you never have a thump me a while ago. Where you get the thump from? Where you have it? And thump had to a while ago, you know, I never expected. That's why I heard, you know. Listen. I'm not gonna take this abuse anymore, okay?
It's my birthday, I can do that.
She's been abusing me all day, guys. I just must say that. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a special video to Danielle. I hope you guys can go ahead and smash the like button. Give Danielle love by smashing the like button right now.
Comment down below, happy birthday to me.
Yes.
I was gonna say happy birthday, Danielle.
Okay. By the way, guys, she did not drink today, guys.
No,
she's gonna drink after when Chase goes to sleep. She's gonna take a sip of
I don't know.
rose.
Comment down below if you can relate. Like after baby. Like after having Chase.
If you have a baby.
Yeah, if you have a baby. Like, I don't know. You say you're going to have a drink, but when the time comes, it's like, you're like...
It never happens.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah. This morning, I woke her up at 12 o'clock this morning to give her a drink, by the way, guys. And she never wanted none. I gave her a little sip to, you know, she like, I had to force the sip on her. I was like, babe, drink this something, man. Cheers. It's your birthday. Cheers.
To the last
and she never want to do it. She never want to do it.
I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to ever drink like I used to drink.
Yeah. That's how it go.
Yep. It's not that bad, actually.
Don't believe her here. When Chase get older and she's not breastfeeding Chase.
When Chase get to the 2s and going all over the place, I'll need it.
Yeah, you're gonna need that drink.
I'm gonna save the drink for
that
time.
Yeah, you're gonna drink a lot during that time. I wanna say thank you guys for your love and support in this video. Go ahead and smash the like button once more again for Danielle, guys. It's her birthday. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't been a part of the family. Tell me, what's your favorite part about your birthday today?
The food was good.
Yeah.
The restaurant was good.
Yeah, by the way, guys, the restaurant is nice. Very pricey.
It's not that pricey. It's like regular brunch prices, and the only what I love about it is the actual water.
No, it's average price. We wish we were like at the edge of the water place. We couldn't show you guys because there were so much people around here, so it's like not show. We couldn't be able to show you guys.
And there were like a lot of boats and yachts and stuff.
Some nice yachts in it, bro. When I saw the yachts, I said, yo, bro, that's me, you know, bro.
I think if we went earlier, we would have gotten like those nicer seats.
Yeah, we actually didn't make it on time. We were supposed to be there at 1 o'clock, and the lady actually hold the seat for us at 1:30.
We were late. True Jamaican spirit.
True Jamaican. # True Jamaican. Comment down below that right now, guys.
So next time when we go back, we're gonna try and go out on the water because Chad said that he's gonna take me back. Yeah. On the water part.
I don't know about that one. But
well, I just said Chad's gonna take me back, so now he has to take me back because it's my birthday and you have to do everything I say on my birthday.
Okay, we'll talk about that time. Alright, guys, we are gonna say sayonara, but before we do that, we have to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Suzette Bell.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Chantal Hunter.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna gonna go right here. The third and final notification shout out goes to
Odd Boy Games.
big up at damn self. You're gonna go right here if you guys want to be a part of notification, gang notification, squad notification, or notification. Danielle's birthday. Go ahead and comment down below on all those things right now. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
The comments.
Yes.
I want to hear happy birthday.
Yeah. Go ahead and spam the comments. Want to say thank you guys so much. Can't say enough, you know. Big up to Drew and Tish. Big up to Bradley as well. Big up to Chasey, as you can see him right here.
He's occupied.
Yeah, big up to Danielle on her birthday again one more time. Love you guys, and we will see you guys another time. Another dollar makes another birthday. Big up on the damn self. Peace.